beautiful divas, welcome and welcome back to my channel Nakshi Kantha by Tanya. Please subscribe our channel to get all our new sarees collection. Today's first saree is a Vishnupuri silk and we have done Kantha. It's a designer piece. It's a mix and match. We have mix and match with block print, hand block print and Kantha stitch hand embroidery. See that this is the pallu portion, this is the achal, and half of your body you will get this design. See the work, it's a peacock motif, inspiration from Paithani peacock, and we have done geometric design in the boxes of half of the saree. And in the pleat portion, this is the first fold and this will come in the pleats. See how interesting the saree is. This will come in the pleats. So in the pleat portion you will get this beautiful grey color. Okay, and this is the first fold. This is the first fold of the saree. See, it's a beautiful designer piece. And the price is 8500. This is the pleat. Oh, let me show you the blouse also. This is the blouse. This is saree number 1. Now come on strawberry pink. The price is 8500, the last one. And now I am showing you the beautiful strawberry pink. It's a double color pink. Wow, see the color combination. Very nice color combination. And it has double skirt border. See, it's very good for any party. It will look gorgeous with this color. This is the first fold. Fully Kantha stitch embroidery with ivory color thread. This is the first fold of the saree. The price is 7800. The price is 7800. And I am showing you the blouse also. We have a very interesting blouse with this saree. This is the blouse. In the two sleeve you will get all over work like this. And in the back of your blouse you will get this design. And the price is 7800. Now comes one pure Bangalore silk. The color is very rich and gorgeous. It's perfect for any evening party. The price is 7000. See the color. Wow, it's a beautiful royal blue. Very gorgeous. The material is pure Bangalore silk. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Very nice color. Very gorgeous color. I am showing you the first fold. This is the first fold of the saree. And all over the saree you will get this design. And now comes in the blouse design. The blouse is also very interesting. This design will come in the back of your blouse, this half circle design, and this two portion is come in the sleeve. So it's a all over sleeve in the saree with this saree. The material is pure Bangalore silk, price is 7500. Now comes one pure Gachi Tasar. It's a pure Gachi Tasar. Best quality ekdam premium quality Gachi Tasar. It's all over Kantha stitch embroidery on multicolored lotus design. See, very nice color combination. It's a multicolored. You can wear it in any solid colored blouse also. Even it has its own blouse pieces. So in the with half portion you will get this design. And this 20-inch border you will get in the pleats. So it's like a all over. And this border, this smart design border is the blouse. So it's a pure Gachi Tasar and the price is 8,000. Silk mark, you will get silk mark on each saree. Price is 8,000. Now comes one pure Bangalore silk. The color is golden yellow or mustard golden yellow. The design is very nice. I am showing you. This is the pallu design, or you can say it's a achal design. I have to drape the whole saree because the saree is a partly pallu design. See the intricate work of the saree. It's like a Meenakari Katha. It's an intricate embroidery. Let me drape the saree first. The pleats portion you will get a temple partly. The temple partly, see, this is the pleats. Wow, it's a very nice design and very unique design. Once you drape the saree, you will get the full look of your saree. This is the blouse. I am showing you the blouse. See. Let me drape the saree first. See, this is the pleats. Very nice, very gorgeous saree it is. Okay, the price is 8,000. The price is 8,000. It's a multicolor golden yellow pure Bangalore silk. It's a partly pallu temple design. Okay. The next saree is a tasar with Nakshi Kantha, or you can call it a Sujni Katha. I am showing you the Sujni work. It's all over the saree. With the chiffon threads like ivory colored thread, we have done Nakshi Kantha in the base of the fabric. See, it's a very nice saree, very unique one. It's a traditional Kantha stitch embroidery and the price is 6800. 6800. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. So it's a corner to corner design. Okay, the price is 6800. Now I am showing you one handloom on. It's a ikkat ghicha ikkat saree. It's a ghicha ikkat saree. Sambalpuri. It's purely handloom. See the combination, very smart combination. Wow. The blouse is coming after the achal. So this is the blouse portion. This design will come in the blouse. After this is a blouse piece and now this is the achal or pallu. And all over the saree you will get this design. It's a beautiful color combination, grey with the yellow, with the lots of lemon yellow shades. There are 3 yellow shades. How smart the saree is. Very smart combination. You can wear it in a lemon yellow colored blouse also, you will look even better. So all over saree you will get this design. I am showing you the second fold also. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. So all over saree you will get this design and the price is 8500. Now comes one midnight blue saree. Some midnight blue saree, very nice design. Very nice design. I am showing you the design. It's a simple and a smart design. Wow, the color. Very gorgeous color. And see the thread color. See the thread color. The material I must say is the best quality pure Bangalore silk. This is the pallu or aanchal. In Katha, this combination we call silver. See, very smart color, very smart color. You can wear it in any pearl jewellery or any black polish silver jewellery. You will look gorgeous. Let me drape the saree for you. It's not so busy. The design is very simple and smart. This is the blouse. See the design. Wow. And the price is 7500. The price is 7500. It's a grey shade. Okay, now comes one pure Bangalore silk. Pure Bangalore silk. This is a unique piece, I must say, and see the work portion. I mean, you can understand how much patience one karigar. I mean, it's a all over sari. All over sari. All over we have done knit, kantha embroidery, kantha stitch embroidery. Very nice color, and see the body texture. All over it's a kantha. It's not printed. It's all over. I'm feeling also happy on seeing this saree. It's a beautiful. It's a very nice one. All over saree, and I'm showing you the blouse also. The blouse is very smart. See, this is the blouse of the sleeve of the blouse. Okay, and this is the final look of the saree. The price is 8,000. The price is 8,000. Wow, now one's unique and a very uncommon color on batik katha. You will hardly find this combination. See the color combination. Wow. I can't explain the color. It's very uncommon color. See the black and the blue. You can understand the shades of the blue, I think. Wow. It's a very pretty color combination. It's a two-tone of, it's nearest to cobalt blue, I think the peacock blue or a teal blue. We have done batik first, we have done hand batik, and then we have done kantha all over the saree, kantha stitch embroidery. The price is 7500. I am showing you the first fold and the second fold. This is the first fold, see, it's a temple design. This is the temple design. Wow. See the intricate design and the stitch quality. And this is the second fold of the saree. So all over the saree you will get this temple. Very smart color, very smart color. And the blouse will go like this. Wow. The blouse is even smarter. And the price is 7500. Now I am showing you one beautiful color combination on pure Ganchi Tasar. We have done Gujarati or Sindhi Karai. Gujarati or Sindhi Karai is the same embroidery. Wow. See the saree. Very pretty, very pretty. We have done mirror attachment with the hand katha embroidery. It's not mirror, it's a mica mirror, so that the saree will not become very heavy. because mica is a kind of plastic, so it's a aluminium foil, I think, so it will make the sari lighter. See, you will get 20-inch border in the lower portion and you will get 5-inch border in the upper portion. So all over the sari you will get this design, and very nice color combination. It's a lemon yellow with the baby pink. Very unique combination. And I'm showing you the blouse also. The blouse design, very nice. You will get this small temple in the blouse also. And I'm showing you the first fold, second fold, so you'll get a full idea of the sari. This is the first fold of the sari, and this is the second fold. It's a pure Gachi Tasar. It's a pure Gachi Tasar, and the price is 8200. The price is 8200. Now one pure Bangalore silk. This is also a unique combination. This is also an unique combination. It's a midnight blue with the red. Midnight blue with the red. Wow. You can wear it with the red blouse. It will look very unique. The color combination itself is a unique one. See the color combination. Very nice color combination. We have done the highlighting part with the lemon yellow color, and the filling part we have done with the red. Beautiful bright red. So the sari become very gorgeous, and the silk color is a midnight blue or a electric blue. Very nice color. It's a corner to corner pattern. So all over sari will get this design. And the price is 7500. See, and this is the blouse. I'm showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. In the sleeve you will get all over work, and in the back portion you will get this border. And I'm showing you the first fold, second fold. This is the first fold, and this is the second fold. Wow. Price is 7500. Now on another smart black and white. It's a very unique designer piece. I'm showing you the sari. White. White itself is a very smart color, and when it mix up with the, pair up with the black, then it become very unique. See, all over you will get an applique work. We have done Gujarati or Sindhi karai on a plain black fabric. Then we have done applique hand machine embroidery and attach on pure Bangalore silk. All over you will get this mirror work Gujarati, and all over the sari will be like this. I am showing you the blouse. It has a beautiful blouse. Yes, it's a beautiful blouse. See the blouse. Wow. This will come in the back, and these two paisley will come in the sleeve. I am showing you the pallu in a detail. See, this is the pallu design. Very nice sari. Very unique one. So Divas, please subscribe our channel. The price is 7500. So Divas, please subscribe our channel, because we will keep uploading new videos with lots of Katha stuffs, starting from sarees to salwar kameez to dupattas to jacket, many more, even home furnishing. So please subscribe our channel. Wow, now comes one pure Vishnupuri Katan silk, and see the combination. Wow. Wow, it's a beautiful color combination. It's a magenta with the black. Even I am feeling very nice combination. It's a very elegant and perfect for any wedding occasion. And in the pallu you will get all over this floral design. Pallu and blouse will come in the black, and all over the body you will get these vertical stripes. See the design. Wow. And this is the second fold of the sari. All over the sari you will get this design. And the material, yes, it's a Vishnupuri pure 3-ply Katan silk. It's the best quality Vishnupuri Katan silk. This is the blouse. See the blouse, how smarter it is. And the price is 7500. 7500 and the price is 7500. Now I am showing you beautiful combination. See the combination first. It's a pure Gachi Tasar. The material is pure Gachi Tasar. And the Tasar quality, I must say, it's a best premium quality Tasar. See the combination. It's a two-tone of rust and orange. So, if anyone don't want to wear red on her sari, this is the best option because you will get a rust color and a orange color, two-tone color. And the sari, I must say, it's amazing color combination. All are earthy tones. Wow. Very sober, very classic combination. Very nice color combination. Pure Gachi Tasar, and the thread color is a orange and a rust. The highlighting color is a orange and the filling color is a rust. Very nice color combination. It can be a perfect gift for any moms, I think. Very nice color. And the price is 8,000. Pure Gachi Tasar. And pure silk mark authentication you will get on each sarees. Now I comes one pure Bangalore silk, and I am also showing you the intricate work. See the work. Wow. I mean, it's a masterpiece. It's a showstopper. See the design and also the work quality of the. I mean, we have to salute the Karigar because how much patience they have, and they are making us beautiful with all these beautiful sarees. See, and this is the pallu design. Wow, very nice color combination. All over the saree will get this net design, and all over saree is a katha embroidery. There is nothing on it. All are hand stitched, and I am showing you the blouse. See, this is the blouse. How pretty the blouse is. It's a nice one. I mean, one should keep in their wardrobe this saree. Very nice color. You can wear it in any solid color also. You will look gorgeous. And the price is 8,000. The price is 8,000. See. Wow. All over the saree you will get this design. All over. Nothing left on the fabric. All over the saree. Okay, the price is 8,000. Now one comes one beautiful design with the different motifs. I am showing you the motif also. First, see the pallu design. You will be amazed of seeing this pallu design. See, it's a Rani in the paisley. See the design, and all over the body you will get this border. It's a very smart one, very smart design. See, it's a black beauty with white thread embroidery, and the price is 7500. This is the pallu design. See, this is the pallu design. Wow. After 10 years, 15 years, you can make it. You can make this pallu as a wall hanging also. The design is very nice. So all over the saree, the first fold is like that, and the second fold also. Okay, and the blouse, this is the blouse. We kept the blouse so simple because it's a smart design, and the price is 7500. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Now one beautiful purple. It's a very nice purple color. It's a double tone purple. It's a double tone purple. See the color combination. It's perfect for any party. Very nice color. You will get peach, you will get sky blue and a green and a lemon yellow also. This is the first fold of the sari and this is the second fold. See the border. The border has a smart look with the floral design. So it's a combination of floral and a geometric design. Very nice color. And this is the blouse. I am showing you the blouse also. This is the blouse design. See. Okay. And the price is, show this closer. See the work quality. Very intricate kantha embroidery. And see the shine of the fabric. It's a soft, very nice color combination. And the price is 7500. I'm showing you the pallu again. See. Pure Bangalore silk. And last one for from today's video. The color is amazing. It's a magenta. It's a magenta. Wow. This is also a net all over. But the color is really nice color. It's a party color. See. This is the pallu design. Very nice color combination and also the pallu design. And all over you will get this design. I am showing you the body now. All over you will get this design on all over the sari. It's not printed, it's hand katha stitch embroidery all over the sari. And this is the second fold. So it's a all over design and this is the blouse. See the blouse. How much pretty the blouse is. Very nice. And the price is 8,000. The price is 8,000. Okay divas, so that's it for today's video. Please do subscribe our channel and please click the bell button also so that you will get the notification from our new uploads. And if you want to book any sarees, please WhatsApp us in the given number below. Thank you.